Hi students, today we are going to learn how to smart study, how to prepare for SSC board examination. Studying smart means maximizing your results with efficient strategies rather than just putting long hours and just working hard working. Here is a smart study plan for state board, those who are preparing for the state board exams. Smart study strategies for SSC students. No, first of all, you have to know the syllabus for exam pattern and get the official syllabus from your board, that is called an SSC board, CBSE board, or ICSE board, whatever the exam board it is there. First of all, you have to know the syllabus, what it is. Then, third point, it is understand the weightage of each unit and each topic. Next, important, the high weightage and frequently asked questions. Make a study timetable. Set realistic goals. So realistic goals means that you have to make any like that 3-4 questions today and one practice set today to be practiced like that way. Study timetable. Set a realistic daily goals. I said include short sessions, that is 30 to 45 minutes with 5 to 10 minutes break. Mix hard and easy subjects to stay balanced. Hard subjects, mathematics, one easy subjects like English or any other subject should be mixed and do the study that. And reserve time for revision and mock tests. Use active learning techniques. Make notes in your own words and use flowcharts, mind maps, tables for quick recall and teach a topic to someone else. It helps deepen understanding. For example, if you are whatever you learned, you have to teach your mother or a brother or sister at home. Then you are going to learn that a deepen it is the deepens the understanding of your subject matter. And you have to use the flowcharts for the formulas, dates, and definitions. Focus on your SCRT subjects or the NCRT subjects or ICSE subjects. For most boards, textbooks are the base for exam. Ensure you have covered all the textbook questions, examples, and activities. Practice past papers and mock tests. Solve at least 5 to 10 years of previous papers. Write full length papers in exam like conditions. Like in 3 hours you have to sit on Sunday. Write a practice like the 3 hours exam. How many minutes you are going to, how many hours you are going to finish, that means that whatever the question paper it is there. And analyze your mistake and revise weak areas. Sixth point is use technology wisely. For example, if you are using apps or YouTube for a quick revision, I would like to say for the YouTube, that is a backbenchers, Yogesh sir's backbenchers for the maths and science, it is very best because we are using right now for my son. So I am going to suggest to you the same thing only. And Physics Wala, Unacademy, these are the apps are there. If you want to revise that also. And use next one, most important point, that is a Pomodoro timers or study planner apps like Notion, Study Smarter, and My Study Life. Pomodoro technique means that is a session, so you can do that 25 minutes study and take a 5 minutes break. Again 25 minutes study and 5 minutes break. I would suggest for the students also, even that those who are working hard, that fellows also, even in the office also we can do that. 25 minutes focus on that, full focus, and 5 minutes break. And then stay healthy and balanced. Get 6 to 8 hours of sleep. Eat brain friendly food like nuts, fruits, and water. And take a short walks, stretch, and do deep breathing. Do deep breathing to stay refreshed. These are the main points as I told you. Write this smart study for SSC board exam preparation. So what I am SSC board or ICSE board, whatever, these are the points used for everybody. So do prepare like that way. First of all, know the syllabus and go to the previous question papers. Practice that. A quick wrap up like that, Pomodoro techniques, and make a study timetable. And as I told you, Pomodoro technique is most important that you have to use. So I request everybody, all the students, to prepare smart smartly, prepare smartly for the SSC board examinations. Thank you.